Hello everyone, I'm Akaksha and today we are diving into something super relevant if your organization is working with AI. ISO 42001 implementation. Now let me ask you, have you ever felt overwhelmed by compliance requirements, unsure where to start or worried your AI projects might face ethical or operational risk? Well, you are not alone. Many organizations struggle with ISO 42001, but here is the good news. It is totally manageable. If you know the common pitfalls and smart solutions, by the end of this session, you will know exactly how to tackle challenges, simplify processes, and build trustworthy AI systems. Now, here is the challenge one: lack of leadership commitment. So, have you ever tried pushing a project that management just didn't care about? That is exactly what happens when ISO 42001 doesn't have top level support. Teams see it as a checkbox exercise rather than a strategic initiative. And here is the fix for this: bring leadership on board. Involve them in policy creation, show them the business value, like reducing AI risk, increasing trust, or improving decision making, and schedule regular check ins. And the fun fact is, one financial firm improved its audit results dramatically simply because executives started signing off on AI policies and engaging with teams. Leadership matters more than you think. Then comes the second challenge: inadequate AI risk assessment. Many organizations focus only on technical glitches when thinking about AI risk. But what about ethical bias, operational impacts, or legal risk? That is where things go wrong. The solution is a structured risk assessment framework. Categorize risk into ethical, operational, legal, and cybersecurity. Conduct cross-functional AI audits regularly, bringing in IT, legal, and ethics experts. Then comes the third challenge: poor data management. Data is the fuel for AI. If your data is messy, fragmented, or incomplete, your AI and your compliance will suffer. Many organizations fail here. And the fix is: set up centralized data governance, document every data set used in AI training, and follow privacy by design principles. Imagine a retail company. Before centralizing data, their AI recommendations were inconsistent and biased. Once they implemented automated data validation and proper monitoring, compliance improved and decision-making became more reliable. Data matters, treat it like gold. Then here is the challenge 4: resistance to change. Change is hard, isn't it? ISO 42001 implementation often requires new processes and accountability structures, and employees may resist. The trick here is engagement. Run awareness sessions, offer hands-on training, and appoint internal champions to guide your teams. Ask your team, how can we make AI governance easier for you? Open feedback loops not only reduce resistance, but also improve processes. Then comes the fifth challenge: integration with existing standards. Many organizations already follow ISO 9001 or ISO 27001, and adding ISO 42001 can feel like juggling too many balls at once. The solution is: map ISO 42001 requirements against existing standards and harmonize your management system. Reuse templates, reports, and audit schedules. For example, a tech firm integrated ISO 42001 with ISO 27001, cutting audit preparation time by 30%. So the efficiency wins. Then we have the sixth challenge: limited AI competency and training. So let's be real. ISO 42001 requires knowledgeable teams. Lack of skills or awareness is a major stumbling block. The solution is simple: identify skill gaps, run workshops, share online courses, and encourage internal forums for knowledge exchange. Think of it like building an AI-savvy army ready to tackle governance challenges confidently. Then comes seventh challenge: inconsistent monitoring and auditing. Many organizations treat audits as a once-a-year chore. but ISO 42001 wants continuous oversight. The fix is to set up monitoring systems, conduct regular internal audits, and maintain a compliance dashboard. This helps catch issues early and ensures your AI systems remain trustworthy and compliant. Then we have the eighth challenge: documentation overload. Feeling buried under paperwork. ISO 42001 can be daunting if documentation isn't handled smartly. The solution is use digital tools, focus on practical documentation, and standardize templates for risk reports, audit logs, and policies. Keep it lean, actionable, and relevant. No one wants endless paper slowing them down. So here is the takeaway. ISO 42001 implementation has its challenges, but every challenge has a solution. With strong leadership, structured risk management, robust data governance, training, and continuous monitoring, your organization can not only comply but also gain a competitive edge. ISO 42001 is your tool for creating reliable, ethical, and transparent AI systems. Thank you for watching. If you found this session helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and drop your own ISO 42001 experiences or questions in the comments. I would love to hear from you.